Again, slope or rate of change, same thing from a table. Change in y over change in x. Okay, some of us are going to need to write this every single time. You have no idea the number of students who will put change in x over change in y. Don't do that. Change in y over change in x. So let's look at our y column. My change from -3 to -6, that's a decrease, negative, of 3. A decrease in 3. You've got to pay attention. Is the number getting bigger or smaller? In this case, it's getting more negative. From -3 to -6, it's more negative. It's getting smaller. It's a decrease of 3, -3. Same with -6 to -9. That's a change of -3. From 9 to -12. Decrease of 3. Again, still using the formula, okay? -6 minus -3 would give you -3. Okay, so there is a decrease of 3 in each of these. So our change in y is -3. Okay? Our change in x is -3, or -6, excuse me, to -3. That's a change of 3. Now we need to think, is the number getting bigger or smaller? Okay, and the number's getting less negative. From -6 up to -3, that's an increase of 3. Okay? If someone went from owing $6 to owing 3, that means that they got, so they were in the positive 3. From -3 to 0, that's an increase of 3. From 0 to 3, increase of 3. Therefore, our change in x's is a positive 3. A -3 over a positive 3. Negative divided by a positive is a negative. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay? So biggest takeaway here, change in y over change in x. I don't care how you get your change in y's, if you want to use the formula or do it in your head. I don't care how you get your change in y's or your change in x's, as long as you put them in the correct order and simplify.